So can you have a hair transplant and not take oral medications? As much as all of you would love me to say, yes, let's just jump ahead with hair transplant surgery, things are not that simple. Firstly, if you have an underlying skin condition where your body attacks your own hair follicles, such as alopecia areata or other autoimmune conditions, it's likely you will need long-term medications to stabilize the underlying condition. Now, if you have an underlying condition such as androgenetic hair loss, which is the most common type of hair loss requiring a hair transplant, the fact of the matter is Mother Nature will continue depleting your native hair until she's done. Of course, the main way we combat this is by using an oral medication which slows this condition down, which means the hair transplant results will be a lot more effective. For some of you who have not used any oral medications and are a little bit later on in life, in your 30s and 40s, late 20s, there may be some merit that if your native hair loss has stabilized and you've not experienced any particular hair loss over the next couple of years, you may wish to proceed with a transplant on the basis that Mother Nature has slowed down. However, and there's always a however in medicine and surgery, hair loss is dynamic and unpredictable in nature. So we never know how you're going to progress 100% over the next 2 to 4 decades. So many of you would be wondering, what about these creams which have been compounded from oral medications into topical creams which bypass the oral route? Well, let's talk about that. There has been some evidence to show that it does work, but the ultimate reality is the jury is still out. As a medical and surgical community, we need more data, we need larger studies, and we need longer term results. So ultimately, whether you choose to take oral medications and proceed with a hair transplant procedure, or you choose not to, that's on you. My job is simply to provide you with data, facts, 15 years of experience, so you guys can make very informed decisions and be street smart. Follow for more. We're going to be having a lot more shorter snippet videos like this, so I can disseminate quick pieces of information so you can make the right decisions in your hair transplant surgery. Thanks very much.